Welcome to the world of creative button crafting. Buttons can be more than just practical fasteners. They can become charming decorations, personalized gifts, and unique embellishments for various projects. Here are some artistic ideas to inspire your next button craft session. Create beautiful fabric flowers using buttons as the centers. Start by cutting petal shapes from fabric or felt, layering them, and stitching them together. Secure a brightly colored button in the middle to give your flower a pop of color. These flowers can be used as brooches, hair accessories, or decorations for gift wrapping. Transform simple picture frames into works of art by gluing buttons of various sizes and colors around the edges. This craft is perfect for repurposing old buttons and can match any decor style. Once your frame is complete, insert a cherished photo to make it a personal gift or an eye-catching piece for your home. Craft a set of interchangeable button pins. Use a base pin and create several different button designs that can be attached and removed easily. This allows you to change them out depending on your outfit or the occasion. Use materials like polymer clay, fabric, or even painted buttons for a variety of styles. Create a memory jar filled with buttons that represent significant moments or special memories. Write down a memory or a small note on a piece of paper and attach it to a button. Fill the jar with these treasures, and it becomes a delightful decorative piece that evokes fond recollections whenever you look at it. Design custom coasters using buttons. Take a cork or wooden base and glue buttons in interesting patterns, filling the surface. Seal everything with a waterproof coating to preserve your design. These coasters can showcase your creativity while protecting your surfaces from drink stains. By exploring these creative button craft ideas, you can bring a personal touch to your projects and express your artistic flair. Thank you for joining us. Let's dive into some imaginative button craft ideas that can add a personal touch to your projects. These crafts not only allow you to express creativity, but also make fantastic gifts or decorations. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy these ideas.